The King of Birds. Interesting story. Once, all the birds in the jungle gathered and decided that they should have a king among birds. Now the question was, who will be the king of birds? Manna had an idea and suggested, let's keep a competition between birds and one who fly highest could be crowned as king of all birds. Everyone liked the idea and agreed for it. Eagle, who was also present there, started to boast about his strong and big body and said, I am the strongest of all birds. You all know that I am only one who can fly highest. Then why bother with all this competition? Why not make me king now? Still, there is a possibility that you may not win, peeped a little voice. Eagle turned to look around to see who said that. To his surprise, it was said by a little sparrow. In mocking voice, Eagle said, Oh, and who is going to beat me? You! Sparrow didn't say anything. Later, all birds got ready for race. As soon as Owl signaled, all birds started flying up into the air, but they could not fly very high and very fast for long. One by one, they dropped out of the race. Only the eagle went on flying as strong as ever. Eagle looked below him and saw that all birds had given up. He said, Didn't I say that already? I am only one who can fly highest. Now you all agree that I am king of all the birds. What the eagle did not know was that the tiny sparrow had been flying under his wing. The moment he stopped, the sparrow darted out. He flew just above the eagle's head and cried out, No, 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 Mr. Eagle. I am king of the birds. Look, I have flown higher than you. All the birds agreed with the sparrow. In any case, they were glad to see the proud eagle beaten. They chose Sparrow as their king. Moral: nothing is impossible for anything to do. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.